having some difficulties exercising, and whilst I was trying to play tennis, I was speaking to my sister, saying, you know, having problems, can't move properly. So she just said, oh, I know a good chiropractor, why don't you give him a try? So I guess it was a recommendation. I had been struggling for some time knowing that something wasn't quite right, but I didn't really know what to do about it. I'd had physiotherapy and they were treating it for a specific issue, which actually, as it transpires, is nothing to do with what we're actually addressing now. So it has helped. Okay, all right, see you then, bye.
Not too painful, Susie, there?
Just a little bit.
Sorry.
Don't you?
Bend this knee, Susie, push up on.
It's helped me two ways. I think it's helping me physically with my symptoms, but I think just as importantly, for me, it was important to feel that I was doing something.
And breathe out. Sorry. In. And breathe out. I want you to relax everything down. Drop the shoulders down, Susie. That's it.
Taking control of managing my symptoms and what it was that was wrong with me. So as well as finding out about it, taking some positive steps towards actually functioning better was really important.
And so you feel like